Best Forex brokers in the world. So in this video, we are going to talk about the Forex brokers which you can use to start your trading journey online. Now, this is going to be a different kind of video because, normally if you see other videos on YouTube, people will tell you, these are top 5 brokers in my list, these are top 3, these are top 10. What is the point of that? Okay, what I will do is I will tell you exactly which broker I have been using since last 2.5 years, and I never had a problem with my withdrawals. Because ultimately, when you are getting into this business of trading, whether you lose money, make money, or you stay neutral, your ultimate goal is whether you will get your money or not when you press that withdrawal button, right? So in this video, we will talk about which brokers are normally known on the internet. However, we can keep talking about 5 brokers, 10 brokers, 20 brokers. Ultimately, what matters is which one works for whom, because you will need to have certain requirements fulfilled. For example, somebody is looking for MT4, somebody is looking for MT5, somebody is looking for high leverage. So we have to consider all these factors. And some people might be in US, outside US. Most of the brokers don't really work in US, Canada. I mean, they work, but they don't provide you high leverage, okay? So as per my trading style, the minimum leverage which I use is 1:500. So if a broker is not giving me 1:500 leverage, that is not my broker, okay? So I will give you a couple of links, or maybe 3 links below my video in the YouTube description. It says Forex Broker 1, 2, 3. Now, top 2 brokers are for those people who are in UK, Europe, Australia, Asia, or So these top 2 are not for US and Canada. The third one you can use if you're in US and Canada as well. And check out these links after watching this video, and then join them, because the beauty of this is if you are going to join through my link, you can always come to me. Either you can email me or Skype me in case something goes wrong, or if you need some help, because I told you I had been working with these top 2 brokers for more than 2 years. So when you work with a company and you are an active trader, you establish a relationship. So when I am trading with a company, I'm making money for them. They are charging me commission, and I'm making my profits. Okay. So we as a trader with the company have positive relationship. What does this mean? This means that if you join through my link, and if something is not working for you, I can put in a word on your behalf. So this works, this networking works, okay? Because if you are new to the company and you have no relationship, as in you're not an active trader and something goes wrong, but you have joined through me, then I can put a word. I have the WhatsApp number, email, and everything, okay? So I can put in a word, and these are very top-notch brokers, by the way. When you click on the link and you go to their website, these are top-notch brokers which had been in the business more than 15 years. So I'm not recommending you any new, something which just came in the market. These 1 and 2 numbers for Forex number brokers are in the market. They had been in the market since last 15 years, okay? Now, coming back to the search, you can always do the search here. When you go to Google or YouTube, you can type in anything which you like. Like you can type in best Forex brokers in the world, or best Forex brokers in 2024, or whatever your keyword is, okay? So when you type in, you will be presented with a lot of articles, a lot of blogs you see here, and you will be all confused. Somebody is saying, go with our trade, go with this one, go with IG, go with plus 500, go with forex.com, blah, blah, blah. IC Markets is one of the brokers I use. Go and check out the link below. Anyways, so I will talk about all these things. I will give you pro tips here. Now, remember, whether it's me or somebody who is doing the review on YouTube, they cannot use all the brokers for all their life, can they? I have used 2 brokers. Why would you change brokers when everything is working perfectly fine for you. When you are able to get your withdrawals on time, why would you change the broker? And why would you change the broker if you're getting the leverage as per your requirement? If your requirement is 200, was to 200, was to 500, if that broker is giving you that requirement, if you're able to do scalping, if there's no restriction, then why would you change the broker? So this is the reason, no matter how many reviews people do on the internet, the truth is that not everybody will try 10 brokers, 20 brokers in their entire lifetime. I had been doing trading for like 3 years now. I have only tried 2 brokers. And I have, my withdrawals 100% successful all the time, okay? So again, if you want to do the research on your own, you can find the name of the company, that's fine. For example, if you want to do the research for our trade or IG.com, blah, 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 you simply have to go to Trustpilot, okay? Go to Trustpilot here and then open it in a new tab. And then you can always type in the name of the company in the search box. For example, let's say our trade. So we type in our trade and .com, I guess. There you go. We have so many reviews. Now you will find a verified company, 8,000 reviews, blah, blah, blah. Now, whenever you're checking the review for any company, being it Forex trading company or any company for that matter, you don't have to worry about 5-star. Always go and click on the 1-star. 5-star reviews could be fake, could be it's called PR, public relationship building. So these 5-star reviews can be paid or can be just out of gesture, but real reviews could be 1-star. So I will always go and check 1-star reviews for any company on Trustpilot. And then let's see what does this say. It says October 9th, 2024. Wow, shocked by this broker, stay away. So this AHL country is, I guess, Algeria. I don't know, okay? First of all, I'm going to start by saying there is no way they have 4.5 stars legitimately on Trustpilot. That is fake probably. This is by far the worst broker I had to deal with. They just won't let you withdraw your profits, okay? They mean you can withdraw the deposit first, and that is okay. But when you try to withdraw profits, they say you can't do it, as you already have used I think I got the point. Okay, right, cool. I will not take this review as 1-star. You know why? Because this person who is doing trading, maybe he is not clear about the terms and conditions of the broker he's trading with, okay? There are many brokers, not just one, including one of my brokers as well, okay, which I have recommended in the description. So there are many brokers who have this kind of policy or a rule, you could say, that when you deposit a certain amount using XYZ method, you can only withdraw that much amount in your first withdrawal. And any profit which you make, that has to be withdrawn by another payment method. Let me explain this to you practically now. Okay, for example, let's say I deposited $100 using maybe card, from my Visa Master. So I deposited $100 from my Visa or Master. Now that broker will only let me withdraw $100 back to my card. Remember, this is the policy, this is the rule many brokers have, okay, including our trade. So this review which you see right now red, this 1-star is not going to influence me, because this is only a communication mistake, from the company to the customer, I guess, because they both are not on the same page. So the customer itself is accepting here that to withdraw the profits, you have to use a different payment method, which is absolutely fine, okay? So for example, if you have deposited again $100 from your Visa Master, you can only withdraw up to $100 to your Visa Master. And if you have, let's say, $150 and now you have to withdraw your $50 profit, then that has to be withdrawn using a different payment method. That could be a bank account, that could be crypto, depending on which payment methods are available for withdrawal for that particular broker, okay? So this 1-star review will not shake my mind. I will still go with that broker, because this is only an experience this particular client is not happy with, because he is not willing to cooperate with the terms and conditions of the broker. But it does not say here that he lost all the money. The only trigger point for me will be when you cannot withdraw your money at all. And there are multiple reviews about that, multiple reviews, people saying that this broker did not pay them at all. Okay, but here with this review, I can clearly tell you there are many brokers who will not let you, withdraw more than what you have deposited to the first payment method, right? So this is not cheating. It's just that you have to withdraw the fixed, that first fixed deposit amount into the first method, and the profits had to go into a different method. This is how they work, okay? So reply from them, that's their problem, not mine. So this is somebody from Australia, October 6th. I applied to be a wholesale trader. They don't understand the rules to be a wholesale, blah, 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 da, 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 da. So again, this 1 star is not going to impact my decision making. You know why? Because this is an individual experience. Somebody was trying to get a wholesale trader account. They both did not come on the same page. So they were not allowed the wholesale trading account with our trade. So what? It's an individual experience, okay? If I am not accepted into the company, that doesn't mean that I will come and just, say it's a bad company or negative. I was not accepted. That's it. End of the day. So again, this review does not talk about that if the trader has lost the money. Remember what I said? The only thing which is going to shake my head in no is that if I find reviews in which I see that people lost the money to that broker. Okay, so this is a pro tip I am giving to you. When you come to Trustpilot, go and check the 1-star reviews. And even in those 1-star reviews, if somebody is having some individual experiences which they are not happy about. For example, let's say somebody is saying, oh, my account took 3-4 days to get verified, and then I'm giving 1 star. So if you are giving 1 star because your account took 3-4 days to verify, okay, but that 1 star will not stop me from joining that company, because that 1 star didn't talk about that your withdrawal was not processed. I will only, the only reason for me not to join a company will be if I see reviews confirming that company is not paying your withdrawals. Otherwise, whatever experiences you have, that will not stop me from joining that company. Okay. So again, the same thing here. You can come and spend your time. This is Paul B. October 10th. Extremely rude staff, tester, extremely blah, blah, blah. Again, here, these people are not happy with their individual experience. It doesn't mean that they did not, they were not even at the stage of withdrawing the funds. Okay. So again, these 1 stars, you have to think practically here. Okay. Not everybody can make everybody happy. But again, as I said, I don't use our trade. Instead of you going around and around and around and try all these companies, for example, if you go back, let me see. How can I go back? Okay, I will not go back. Just type in here, best Forex brokers in the world, okay? So again, you see here, all these companies. Now, how would you figure out which one is your, company you want to join, okay? So you will go with 1, 2, 3. How many will you try? You will deposit 100 into this, 200. No. Instead, you are watching this video. You have done your hard work. What is your hard work? Your hard work was to come on YouTube, do your research, find the review for the best broker, and now you're watching my video, which means your hard work has paid off. I'm the person who has tested these brokers already, okay? And these 2 brokers, Forex Broker 1 and 2, I can go ahead and tell you I have used these brokers for 2 years plus, okay? This one, third one, I don't personally use now. I have used it for, 1 time only. I deposit money into this broker, and then I withdrew it and I had no problems, okay? So technically, I'm using top 2 brokers every day, and the third one I have used once, okay? Top 2 brokers don't accept US and Canadian clients. The third one does, okay? So you can go and try them, especially top 2 if you're not in the US, not in the Canada, and if you need high leverage up to 500, you can try these 2. If you have any questions, you can contact me on email or Skype, message me on Skype, okay? So do not go and spend your time trying this broker or that broker, because everywhere, wherever you see the video or you read on Google, top 5 brokers, top 10 brokers, top 20 brokers, even if I give you top 10 brokers, what are you going to do? You still need that security that, oh, is there somebody, my friend, who can come and whisper in my ears that, okay, you can go ahead with this broker and I have been using it for 3 years. That is the confidence I am giving to you. I can tell you 10 brokers, no, but what will it give you confidence? Out of 10, which one? But if I give you 2 brokers right here, this is the confidence I'm telling you. Use these use these one of these 3 brokers. If you're in US and Canada, you have no choice. If you are in US, Canada, and you want to use a broker which gives you 1:500 leverage, you have to go with the third option. Otherwise, if you're outside US and Canada, use these top 2, okay? And again, if you go and join from my link, you will have extra support, which means in case something goes wrong, I can talk to that company on your behalf. Okay, it works. Networking matters. Okay. Anyways, so go ahead and do your research, and more. This Trustpilot reviews, always check whichever broker you go with, check their reviews first, and you have to understand how to read those reviews. Not just read the words, but read the situation, in which situation the customer has left the 1 star. If that 1 star doesn't prove that somebody has lost the money, then that 1 star doesn't matter to me. Okay. So in case you are here as a beginner and you want to learn trading as well, then you can check out the first link. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. You will be taken to this page here where you can see a lot of videos and proofs. You can see never-ending proofs. Okay. So in case you're a beginner and you don't know how to do Forex trading, then this method is totally on autopilot, where we use a software and we automate the whole process. If you want to know more details, click on the first link and check out everything. In the end, subscribe, like, and we'll see you again in next video.